Are you frustrated with calls automatically ending when you press the side button on your iPhone? In this video, you'll learn how to disable this feature and take back control of your phone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Accessibility. After that, tap where it says Touch. And then scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see an option called Prevent Lock to end call. Prevent the side button from ending the current call. So go ahead and toggle this on, and it will do exactly what it says. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.